Hello everyone, welcome back to today's lecture. Today we are going to look at how to install Git, how to install GitHub Desktop, how to set up your GitHub account, and how to set up your profile in your machine so you won't face any issue when you push your code. With this, let's get started. To install Git, you just need to search Git download and you will be redirected to Git page where you could download Git. So here is my operating system is Windows, so I'm downloading it for Windows. So you just need to click it download for Windows. Then I have a 64-bit architecture, so I will download it for that. Let us wait for a few seconds while it gets downloaded. So now it's got downloaded. You just need to double click the file, install. It will install the latest version and remove the previous version if you have the Git. I have already installed in the Git, so it's removing the previous one that was version 2.45.1. So it's installing all the commands. So let us launch Git bash. Once the Git have been installed, to check whether it's have been configured properly, you just need to run the command git b and you will get the version and you will know it's properly installed. So now let's look at how to install GitHub Desktop. To install GitHub Desktop onto your machine, you need to search GitHub Desktop and which operating system you are using. Currently I am using onto Ubuntu, so I have searched for Ubuntu. So here you could see there are some commands that I need to run onto my terminal, and once I run it, it takes few seconds to install it because I've already installed it. Once it's have been installed, you just need to click on to the sign in with GitHub. It will redirect to your GitHub login page. You have already created account. You just need to sign in and it will be authenticated. Now let's look at how to set up your GitHub profile. So to set up your GitHub profile, you just need to come to github.com and then to sign up button. Once it's done, you need to paste your email ID, create a password. So we'll create a mock password, enter username. So let it be ABG, but it would be taken, so you could and have to make it unique. So add some number here, random number. So once your account has been set up, you have to create a personal access token. So why personal access token, man? Why not use password? So GitHub have removed their password support to push the code onto the repository. You need to create a personal access token that is needed to push your code onto GitHub. So to create a personal access token, you need to go to settings. You need to come to developer settings. You need to give the permission that are just required. Don't give all the permission here, only that one that are needed. So we just need to push and pull the code. So we have created token with the scope of that. Once it's done, you need to come to Windows credential, and here in your GitHub, once it's done, you just need to update here your username and your password and just put save here. I already have, so I'm not going to change it. Once it's done, you are now able to push your code through your console. Now that you have configured your GitHub, now you could push your code very easily. With this, I will see you on to the next lecture.